everyone, I wanted to share with you my thoughts on the Sensodyne toothpaste. I do want to mention I am a longtime user of this brand of toothpaste. I usually use their gentle whitening, but I've tried lots of different kinds. This is the Repair and Protect, and this one was a newer try for me. I haven't used this Repair and Protect one yet until purchasing this, and I actually love this one. I think that this might be my favorite out of all of them that I've tried. So I'll show you what it looks like when I take off the seal here. So one thing I like about Sensodyne as well is that the toothpaste I feel like is very thick. So a little does go a long way, especially for me. But the flavor of this toothpaste is just really subtle. I feel like it doesn't, it's not overpowering. It doesn't last all day where you're tasting that minty taste while you're eating food and stuff like that. I feel like it's just perfect to freshen up, to get a good clean, and I just think it works really, really well. So I love this. I've used it again for years, and I really like this kind in particular.